Hi subscribers, hi viewers. Welcome to day 6 of our Chinese HSK Flashcards challenge. And as you are aware that in the past we've done 3 days of challenge so far, which is these are the characters there, Bu and Shi. So today our main challenge flashcard is Tsai. So what we do is, let me just arrange and see how fast we can go through the deck and see how many flashcards we remember today. Remember also as well that if we're not successful in finding Tsai in this deck, we've got more cards to find it from. So let's hope that we find it in this deck because it is a familiar flashcard that I've seen before. So let's go on and see how we're going to manage this. So we start, let me separate the deck and see how we go. So this is Kan, Me, Tsai. Very interesting. We got Tsai on the as a third card on the deck. So we're putting aside Tsai. So according to what we've been doing, we've been successful to on our fourth day, sort of our fourth day of finding special cards. This is Shi, this is De, this is De, this is Bu, this is Tsai. So I'll explain the cards in the next videos, and you can read the description below. But let's see how many flashcards we remember today out of the whole deck. It's Men, Ba, How, Ma. I don't know why I keep on missing Ma. This is a familiar card that I should know always. This is Ta, this is Pei, Tien, Dien, Do, How, Ge, Sh, Shan, Wo, Sun, Xia, Si, Ta, How, Zi. I don't know why I've already mentioned How. Bi, Zi. So I mixed this flashcard with this. This is I got it correct, but so anyway, that's fine. Let's continue. How, Men, oh sorry, Shi, Mei, Liang, Shen, Cong, yeah, we got Mei, sorry, got Cong, Le, Shi, Jia, Wei, Shu, Liu, Zhong, Ren, Xiao, Pian, Ming, Ba, Tsai, Me, or Hui, Wu, Shi. This character, I always come across it and I always forget it. I don't know why. Mei, Xiao, Bing, oh sorry, Ming, Dong, Jia, lao, ni, lai, yue, jia, or shue. Sorry, I forgot that one. Chu, ji, yi, wu, a, cow, ko, cow, fei, ma, yuan, ma, wu, sorry, tsai, sho, bu, sorry, I got that one wrong, chu, ming, so, I got this one wrong, pen, chi, I got that one wrong, ke, shi, jin, this one. Anyway, I've been making a few mistakes today, so let's just give it a try. Ge, pa, yang, or I confuse the other character with this one. I know this one quite well, but anyway, we keep on practicing. We'll remember as time goes on. This is yo, one, che, niao, new. This is half of daughter, so I should forget this one. So maybe I should take time to think, but we're trying to go through the rest of the flashcards as quick as we can. And anyway, let's just continue. Gong, shang, chi, jiu, ta, ye, xie, wen, mu, jiu, kan, che, sorry, I've already, shua, shan, niu, shan, xiao, ta, da, shue, yu, sorry, pan. So let's try to see how many characters we remembered today without making any further mistakes. So I'm sure there is some improvement, because yesterday we remembered 58, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see how many we got today. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, So there's been some improvements. I can say 62 if we didn't make any mistakes. 62 including the card, the target card. So remember, we worked on three. We can now easily identify four cards, which is shi, da, bu, zai. So these cards, will remember them and put them aside. And tomorrow we have another card to look for, which is yo. Yo is a familiar card. We've seen it already on the deck. We don't have to worry about looking for it on the on the side deck, so we can just continue using these cards, and if we find it, it's going to be easy for us. So let's hope that tomorrow we know more cards and practice more. So this is a daily challenge. If you're interested in knowing in knowing China, just subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Also, I've got new content coming up, which I'll be editing in the next few days. And you can also watch my commuting videos just to get a feel of what real life and environment is like in Beijing, China. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and do not forget to watch the rest of my content.